Hey everyone, welcome back to WindowzTech. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to boost your internet speed by optimizing your network settings. If you are having a network lag or your network is having some connectivity issue, so these simple steps will help you fix the network connection issue. Step 1. Use a wired connection. If possible, switch to a wired connection. Ethernet cables offers faster and more stable internet than Wi-Fi. This can instantly boost your speed, especially for gaming and streaming in HD. Step 2. Update your network drivers. Let's ensure your network drivers are up to date. Here's how you can do it. Right click on the start menu, go to device manager, then go to network adapters, expand it, search for your adapter and then right click on it, update drivers. Click on search automatic drivers. Here it will show you if your drivers are up to date. Step 3. Adjust DNS settings. Changing your DNS can actually speed up your connection. Let's switch to a faster DNS like Google or Cloudflare. Here's how you can do it. Click on start menu and search for control panel. Open the control panel and then go to networks and internet. Click on it. Click on network sharing center and then on the left side you can see change adapter settings. Click on that. Okay, then over here go to Wi-Fi, right click properties. Inside the Wi-Fi properties, search for internet protocol version 4 TCP/IP IPv4. Click on it, properties. Over here you can go to use the following DNS server. Input the server over here 8.8.8 for Google. Alternate DNS you can type 8.8.4.4 and then you can click OK and your new DNS settings are applied. Once doing that, you can close this windows and then move to the next step. Step 4. Disable your background apps and services. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Shift and Escape. Go to Startup tab and then from the Startup tab disable the unnecessary programs from auto starting. Closing some background apps can free up your bandwidth. Step 5. Turn off Windows Update settings. Go to Start menu, then from here go to Settings and then go to the Windows Update at the left over here. Then you can see over here you have Pause Updates. Click on the drop down. Here you can pause the update for a week, pause update for 2 weeks. By pausing these, this will help you to free up the bandwidth for your important task. And that's it. Quick and easy way to boost your internet speed by optimizing your network settings. Try these tips and let me know in the comment if they worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Windows Tech and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. See you in the next video.